Guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. We got a couple bars in here. We're heading out to Ohio on Monday, and I gave the guys off for the weekend. First time I think since March anybody had an entire weekend off. I didn't. I came in to do some work probably till about 3. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you. All right. So the Ohio job is complete. We just have to load this up and get out of town here on Monday. And we're going to Marblehead. Anybody from Marblehead or know anything about Marblehead? From what I've seen on a map, it's an island, and I guess we got to take a causeway to get over there. But the roof's already loaded into the trailer, and we'll load this up, and then load all the tools, and we're out of here. And then I decided to jump ahead a little bit, and the next project, instead of waiting till we got back, is this one here. This is going to finally a local delivery and setup. LBI, New Jersey, Long Beach Island. I know a lot of you guys are from there, from the area. I have a place down right outside Ocean City, so this is definitely a nice, easy local one for us. So let me hear your comments, guys. I'm going to keep this nice and short. If you like my content, please like, follow, and share. So real quick, this one's getting a beer meister. It's a 6x8, and we actually got this done in 2 days. I had myself and one of my other guys. He was doing all the cutting, I was doing all the putting together, and it made it go super quick. And this is pretty much the same bar, 6x8, but this one has a ice bin and a refrigerator. All right, so that's it for now. Please like and follow. See you guys in the next video. Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, welcome to Marblehead, Ohio. I'm not sure what the name of the island is, but we made it. And we got the bar already down, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. I can't see anything because of the sun glare. So let me turn it back this way. You get to look at my pretty face for another minute. And let's see, where do I turn this around? Okay, so it's all blue sky here. So I'm not sure what I'm pointing at. I can't see the screen, but like I said, we made it to Marblehead, and we just got, so here's our situation. And what I found out from the homeowner, Rick, is that this whole community, this whole development is a quarry. They built this development in a quarry, and the waterway goes right out to Lake Erie. So there's our little makeshift, what do you want to call this? A custom slide. Yeah, we can leave it there. They can slide right off of this into the water.
Right.
And we got the bar down there. So we got here about 3:30. It's probably at least 4:30 now, but we're going to get this roof up and get pretty much everything put together. So we have a shorter day tomorrow, but we still got 4 hours of light, so we'll see what happens. All right, here comes Walt, my co-pilot. All right, so for the time being, Tiki Kev out. Okay guys, we got the Marblehead, and this is what I'm up against here. We're being teased while we're working. All right, well, we got the roof started. Let me turn this around. We got the roof started, or the bracing anyway. We're going to put the roof on next. Well, guys, we're back. It's, I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday morning? Yeah, it's Wednesday morning. We're back here in Marblehead. And let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys what we got done yesterday. Let's see. Did that work? Yeah, I guess it did. All right, so yesterday we actually got the bar installed. We got the roof up, and we got it 3/4 of the way thatched. So we got the front, back, and this end, and we got the other end to go. It was a long day yesterday. Electricians are here. They're hooking up power so we can get the bar wired in. Oh, Walt, can you grab an impact gun? We need to take that panel off, and the same with the inside panel, so they can get to our wiring. All right, so beautiful, another beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, bright as anything, sunny, and lots of rocks around here. It's an old quarry. They built this development and on, over, in, whatever. All right, so we're gonna get to work. We're gonna finish up today. We got to mold some of these palms, mold these down, and we'll be good to go. I think 2 of the guys are going to head home when we're done. Walt and I think we're going to stick around one more day. I don't want to rush getting out of here because it's such a long drive. So we'll just get everything all done and head home Thursday morning. All right, from Marblehead, Ohio, until the next video. Here, I'll show you guys the water. Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, we are just finishing up here. Actually, we are finished up here, and it is so bright right now. I can't see what I'm looking at. I can't even see if the camera's facing me, but I'm gonna see if I can turn this around, just like I say in every video, which is nice because that means it's sunny. And all right, there we go. We are done here in Marblehead, Ohio, on what is it? Johnson Island. Walt, Johnson Island? We are here on Johnson Island, and believe it or not, this little island, there's a one-way bridge getting in, and it's gated, so you need a passcode to get in here. So it's a really neat little town, and this used to be a quarry, and it's now a community. So this is the 6x8 bar you guys saw me talking about in the shop. We got an 8x10 synthetic thatched roof on it, Endure Reed Viva 3.0. Let's see what else we got here. We got 8 Tiki Kev swivel bar stools. That's right, get your swivel bar stools. And in case you were wondering who did this, it's Tiki Kev. All right, and there's the roof. Ooh, there's a pole. All right, and the electricians just left. They just finished wiring to the bar, and we got everything hooked up. And we got the rope lighting. Had a little issue with the refrigerator, brand new refrigerator in the box. And my guys took it out, and it had a huge dent in it. There's Walt, last survivor. The other guys took off a couple hours ago. They left. We were done. Walt and I had to track down a refrigerator. And there was no Home Depots, no Lowe's on the island. So where'd we go? Sandusky? Yeah, I think we were Sandusky. So we found that. It's a very nice refrigerator. And we're going to wrap this up. And there's Rick. Rick, how do you like it?
I love it.
You love it? All right.
It's awesome.
You know that's video evidence if you're telling me how much you like it, right? So guys, we are done here. We're heading back to PA in the morning. And I think Rick just brought out a couple beers, and I think we're gonna have a couple. So from Marblehead, Ohio, Johnson Island, for the Tiki Kev crew, Walt, Daniel, and Shay. Those two left, like I said, and me. So love your questions. You guys got any comments? Love to hear those. And if you like my content, please like, share, and do whatever. All right. Tiki Kev out.